How to switch between home screen pages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press on an empty area of your home screen until the icons start to jiggle. Once in edit mode, tap on Edit at the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Edit Pages at the bottom. To hide a page, simply tap on the checkmark below the page preview. You can also rearrange your pages by dragging them to a new position. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Done button in the top right corner to save. Your home screen will now reflect the new arrangement, with the hidden pages no longer visible when you swipe. The apps on the hidden pages can still be easily accessed from the app library. Following these steps, you can easily switch between home screen pages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.